Hey everyone! Seriously, if you have ever struggled with text editing in CapCut, this video is for you. By the time we finish, I promise you will not need to watch any other tutorial on this topic ever again. So go ahead and subscribe real quick and let me walk you through it. Alright, first things first. Let me show you how to add or edit text. As you can see on my screen right here, I have already added a line that says how to edit text in CapCut. Now watch this carefully. Click on the text itself, and boom, a settings panel will pop open on the right side. Honestly, that is where all the magic happens. So inside that panel, you will see the main text section. This is where you can actually edit your words, fix any spelling mistakes, add more words, or completely rewrite it. For example, you could write something like, "Subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel." See how easy that was? Just type whatever you want right there. Now, right below that, you will find all the font options. This is where you can really make your text stand out. You can change the font style to something fun or professional. You can also adjust the font size, make it bigger or smaller. And honestly, do not forget you can make it bold, italic, or underline too. Just play around with it until you like how it looks. Okay, here is a very useful feature that I personally love. You can quickly change the text case without retyping everything. Uppercase, lowercase, or title case, where the first letter of every word is capitalized. This saves so much time, I am telling you. No more deleting and retyping the whole sentence. Next up, you will see preset styles. These are basically ready-made designs that CapCut gives you. Just click on any style, and your text will change instantly. Honestly, sometimes I just scroll through these until I find one I like. It can save you a ton of time instead of building everything from scratch. Now, if you want to get even more creative, let me show you the custom options. Opacity lets you make your text more transparent or more solid. Stroke adds an outline around your letters, and you can change the outline color too. Shadow adds a drop shadow. By default, it is black, but you can change that color as well. My advice? Just experiment with these settings until it looks perfect to you. And that is really how easy it is to edit text in CapCut. No complicated steps, no confusing menus. If this video actually helped you out, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. In the next video, I will show you even more editing features that will take your videos to the next level. Also, comment down below what you want to learn next. I read every comment, and I will make a video on your suggestion. Thanks for watching, and seriously, do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.